and pull it out, and also clean the beads. So now appear to wild beads. This is wild beads. Telugu people called dumpa adavi dumpa gaddalu adavi dumpa. Telugu people called this is. So it is similar to colocasia, appear similar to colocasia. This is the wild beads.